And we get you the breaking news at 5 p.m. this Saturday evening. Babul Supriyo has announced that he is quitting politics. In a Facebook post, he has said that if you want to do social work, you can do it without being in politics. Babul Supriyo was a minister in the Modi government and had to resign as a minister after the reshuffle in the Council of Ministers earlier this month. He has now put out a Facebook post, a very long and detailed Facebook post, and announced that he is quitting politics. But he is also an MP from Asansol. Does this mean that he will quit as an MP as well? We will have Mayuk from our Bangla newsroom joining us with the details about what Babul Supriyo has said in his Facebook post that was put out 36 minutes back. But what we can tell our viewers is that Babul Supriyo has announced on Facebook that he is quitting politics for now. This comes just weeks after the cabinet reshuffle. And what we know he has said in this Facebook post, which Mayuk will translate for us, he has said that if you want to do social work, you can do it without being in politics. We have Vishakha who's joining us from the Bangla newsroom to give us details about what Babul Supriyo has said in his Facebook post. Vishakha, over to you.
Vishakha, start speaking to you.
We will try to get in touch with Vishakha once again, who will read out the Facebook post that has been put out by Babul Supriyo, who's an MP from Asansol. He said that he's quitting politics, and he also said that he can do social work without being part of politics as well. So this Facebook post can be seen as his message to the BJP leadership that he is probably quitting the party. But what about his post in the parliament? Vishakha will be joining us on the phone line to read out that Facebook post that Babul Supriyo has put out. But what we can tell is that there were certain speculation doing the round in the last few days about Babul Supriyo's next move, especially after he was taken out of the Council of Ministers. Vishakha is with us right now on the phone line. Vishakha, if you can read out that Facebook post for our viewers and translate it as well.
Yes, the thing is that it is maybe the biggest of all news that Babul Supriyo, there was a rumor that he might be quitting politics, as he said to his Facebook Live and social handles that he had urged to leave and quit politics, and now he has written that the first term that he has written is Alvida, as you can see. And he has said that he has no intention to join any other political party as TMC, Congress or CPIM. He needs to join nowhere. He is not going to any of these political parties, but he is just listening to his conscience. And as his conscience just doesn't permit him to join any other party, and it is his inner voice that is saying that it is coming from his inner sense that he should leave politics right now. That is why he has decided to leave politics, and he has to give some time to his, some quality time to his family. That is why he has decided to leave politics, as he has written in his social handle, as we can see. And he has mentioned that there was no political pressure or any kind of pressure that he has taken this decision for or under. So this is the gist of the tweet that he has written in his Twitter handle. So Babul Supriyo is finally leaving politics, and that will, he says that there is no controversy, but that will definitely lead to further controversy in Bengal politics and in national level politics as well.
Yes, and Vishakha, continue staying with us. We're going to put out that Facebook post. The Facebook post is on the screens. A translated version of that is on the screens. And just reading out some points from that Facebook post, where Babul Supriyo started by saying Alvida. And he's also mentioned that he is not going to be joining any other party like the TMC, Congress or CPM. What he very what he highlighted and said is that I am a one-team player, have always supported one team, Mohan Bagan, have done only one party, that is the BJP in West Bengal. That's it. And he also said that to do social work, there is no need to remain in politics. So this was a message, a sort of a goodbye message from Babul Supriyo, and in fact putting into context about what Babul Supriyo had said a few days back as well. On Thursday, Babul Supriyo had put out a post on Facebook where he said that I get good and positive responses when I share something about songs, music, and not for my social media posts on politics. There are many posts from friends, fans, well-wishers and followers who are suggesting that I should stay away from politics, which is forcing me to think deeply about it. And on Friday, there was another Facebook post that he had put out where he said that good morning at the outset in regard to my post yesterday. Thank you so much for all the genuine affection showered. In fact, I can't thank you enough. So there was a buzz that was there in the last 2 days about Babul Supriyo's next move as far as politics is concerned. And now we have that official announcement coming in from Babul Supriyo, who is also an MP from Asansol. In fact, he had also contested on BJP ticket in the West Bengal Assembly elections, but he was defeated by Trinamool Congress's Arup Biswas in the elections. Bisakha continues to be with us on the phone line. We've dropped that line, but we will try to get Bisakha on the phone line once again. What Babul Supriyo, in fact, earlier had also said that it is not possible to appease all. Therefore, there are some who wrote negative comments because maybe I didn't behave well with them. Maybe I scolded or screamed at them. A few known people from Asansol also shared their comments. They still remember that I actually misbehaved with them, but they forgot that I also had adda sessions with them over tea, samosa and puffed rice. They forget that I played football with them in muddy fields. I accept their feelings. I don't have anything against them. So sort of Babul Supriyo was clearing the air before he announced his resignation from politics